So today I'm going to show you how to create a teacher class dojo. So you're going to type in ClassDojo, then you're going to click on it. It's going to bring you here. And so then you're going to select that you are a teacher because that's what we want to create. It's going to ask you to input your email address. You'll select continue. It's going to bring you to this screen, and then it's going to ask you to select your title. And it's going to ask you for your name, your last name, and then to create a password. So I'm going to manually fill those in. And then when you're creating your password, it's going to ask you for it to be at least 8 characters, include one alphabetical character, in either a number or a special character. You will select sign up. Once you are in, it's going to ask you to select your school, so you can manually type it in up here. For today, I'm going to be putting I don't teach any school. So then it brings you to this screen right here, and it asks you to create your classroom name. So I'm going to change mine to Miss Flores' class. And then it's going to ask you to select a grade level. So we'll select 3rd grade. We will hit create. Once you do that, it will ask you, would you like to add a co-teacher? If you do have a co-teacher, you can put their name or email here, and then you can send them an invite. I don't have any co-teacher, so I'm going to select I don't have a co-teacher. Next, it is going to ask you to enter your student's name. So for today's purposes, I will just be making up a name, and then it'll ask you to add the student manually. Once they are in, you can hit save. If you would like to add multiple students, you may. So I'm going to do this. Now it's going to ask you, would you like to give your students access to ClassDojo? So giving them access just lets them participate in class, where you can give them dojo points. There's different things they can do on here. If you agree, you would select agree. I'm going to hit skip for now. And now it's going to ask, would you like to connect with families? So you can either print out each individual printouts for your students. You can add an email or a phone number and invite them instantly. You can share a link or get class printouts for your parents. Once they are connected, right here you will see how many parents are connected. It'll give you a percentage. Once you are in here, there's a variety of things you can do. So you can write a class story. You can let parents know what is happening. So for today, we will just start with welcome to our class. And I will hit post. So now your parents can see this. They can like it. They can comment on it. You can send private messages to your parents. So you can turn on class chat, which allows you to just send a message to all parents that is the same, or you can send individual messages once your parents are connected. You can add events on here. You can create one. There's Dojo Island. This is a new feature that Dojo has added, and it's just different activities. It's got when you want to add let your students use it, you can have them click the QR code. You can give them the class code. It's letting me know that now my class is ready. You can get a welcome kit. It just gives you a ton of different information on here. Ready to go lessons. Once you're connected to a school, it'll show you who is connected from your school. And that is just a brief tutorial on how teachers can set up their ClassDojo. I hope you found this helpful and useful.